Welcome to our training on how to get paid when selling globally in the Amazon store. This video will show you how to receive your net proceeds from your global Amazon stores fast and easy with Amazon Currency Converter for Sellers, or ACCS. You rarely need to think about dealing with different currencies while selling domestically. This changes, however, when you expand your business abroad. Perhaps you've been looking to reach customers in other regions, or you've identified a demand for your products in another country. When you sell globally, your net proceeds are paid out in foreign currencies. ACCS allows you to receive payments directly in your local bank account in your local currency. We recommend using ACCS so you don't have to open a foreign bank account or rely on a third-party payment service provider. Here's how ACCS works. When your disbursement is ready in Seller Central, we send it to our bank service providers. They then convert and deposit your global payments into your local bank account directly. Our bank providers use highly competitive exchange rates similar to the ones used by the largest traders on the market. We don't add any hidden fees or markups. For most of the currencies we support, your only cost is the volume-based ACCS fee. You will fall within different tiers based on your total cross-currency disbursement amount over the past 12 months. We recalculate your tier every month and apply the volume-based fee accordingly. In short, the more business you do, the lower the ACCS fee you pay. Another way to lower your fee is to merge all your global stores to move to a higher tier. Search Merge Accounts in Seller Central to learn more. To sign up for ACCS, open the Settings menu in Seller Central by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click Account Info and navigate to Deposit Methods under Payment Information. If you don't have a deposit method set up for your desired international store in Seller Central, select Assign next to that store to add your bank account information. Then enter your local currency bank account information as the deposit method. If you've already set up a foreign bank account as a deposit method in your target store, replace it with your local currency bank account to start using ACCS. On the Setup page, select your bank location from the drop-down menu. Note that only regions listed in this menu are supported by ACCS. If your bank isn't located in one of the listed locations, search for Payment Service Provider Program in Seller Central to learn how to proceed. After you fill out the account information, we'll verify any new or changed deposit method on your account. Once this process is complete, you can activate the deposit method to receive payments. And that's it! You can then sit back and receive payments from your global Amazon stores automatically. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!